What's up, people of the world? So it's your boy Tyshawn, aka coldlabz on social media, and I had a few people ask me, how fast can you really develop an app? You know, we need proof. So here we go. Alright, I just made all that noise in my mouth, but I did fast forward the video. No, it wasn't any houdini. As you can see, it actually took me some time. As you look at the timer on the side, it said it took me 24 minutes and 40 seconds. But hey, look at the app though. The app is pretty decent. As you can see, I put a little effort into it. I made plenty of apps that took about 7 to 10 minutes. They look like straight trash, but I get to do some sandals. And he got a t-shirt, plus he got some spikes you gotta avoid, along with some big mushrooms and some spikes behind them. So the question, how long does it take an app? You know, it could take a couple seconds, it could take a couple minutes, but the question is, what can you do? Because I know what I could do. Other than that, I'm checking out. Take care.